Hello friends, welcome to Samarendra's kitchen. Today I am going to make gram flour chila. Ingredients: gram flour as required, rice flour 1 tablespoon for crispiness, turmeric powder half teaspoon, chili powder 1 pinch, salt to taste, onion, tomatoes, vegetable as per taste, bit of oil. Now I'll prepare batter. We will add water in it. And then we will add onion. We will mix it properly so that there are no lumps in the batter. Now I will put oil on the pan. Now I'll pour the batter on the pan. Now I will turn the chilla upside. Now I'll put some oil on the corners. Now we will let it turn red. Now I will serve my chilla on this plate. Now I'll decorate my chilla to make it attractive for kids. I have served my chilla with homemade tomato and dates chutney and lemonade drink. Oh, it tastes very good. I think my efforts have paid. Thank you everyone. Catch me for the next time. Bye bye. Health benefits of gram flour. Good for heart as it contains soluble fiber. Low in calories. Good in this stagnant lifestyle. Fights allergies. Can add lots of vegetables in it. Kids will eat even without noticing it. Thank you.